Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making strawberry lemonade kombucha. Now you just want to smash the strawberries with the fork to extract some of the juices. In this pot, I have some mint that I'm going to steep for a few minutes. Warm the sugar on medium heat until it completely dissolves. So I've added the strawberries into the blender. I'm going to let it blitz until smooth. We're going to strain the strawberries until only the seeds remain. The exact measurements are in the description box. I've already poured the strawberry lemonade in the jug off camera. So now it's time to pour in some kombucha. You don't need a lot, about a half a cup. This drink is so refreshing. As always, I want to thank you guys for coming to hang out with me today. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to turn on the notification button and subscribe.